Today, we're going to talk about how to set and check your carrier rates with Dynamic Rating. First, click on Tools, then PostalMate Settings. Next, click on Shipping Rates. Let's start by checking your rates. Our first example is under Weight-Based Services. At the top, you'll see two tabs, Dynamic Rating and Stored Rating. Dynamic Rating shows carriers that currently use dynamic rates. Stored Rating shows carriers with loaded rates, like USPS. Let's jump back to Dynamic Rating. First, choose the carrier you want to check, then select the service. You'll see the margin this service is set to and the flat dollar amount added. Here you can make a few advanced customizations. For example, some users like to charge 1% for the first 10 pounds and a different one for the rest. Here's how to use that tool. Click the starting box of the sequence you want, then drag your mouse across until all the numbers you want are highlighted. Click Formula. This opens the Advanced Rate Setting by Formula tab. Here you can add your new margin and add a flat dollar amount if you want. Click OK. When you're happy with the changes, click Save. To change all boxes at once, click Select All. Click Formula. Make your changes. Click OK, and click Save. Then close. Now let's look at carrier-branded rates. For Dynamic Rating, click Dynamic Rating, select the carrier, then the service. This shows your margins and flat dollar amounts for each zone. If you're looking for USPS flat rate boxes, click Stored Rating, select USPS, and then Priority Flat Rate. Next, let's use the Global Rate Setting tool to set a margin across an entire service or carrier. First, base retail rates on wholesale rates. Then, add your desired margin. Note, this will always start at 50%. This prevents accidentally setting all rates to 0%. Select a whole carrier to change, or click the small arrow to expand the list and choose just one service, or exclude one. Click Apply and Save. Finally, let's check to make sure it looks correct. In this example, we excluded FedEx First Overnight, so that should still be at 52%, while all other services are set to the new percentage. When you're done, click Close, and then close again.
Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like more information about PostalMate, please give us a call or click one of the videos and we'll be happy to share more information with you.